So why should we strategize in training? Because the contention of a lot of people is, well, if I'm strategizing in training, the intensity is lower, surely from lower intensity, I'm not going to get the benefit. But remember this law of specificity, that if we want to train a certain energy system, the best way to do it is to train around that energy system. If you want to push your anaerobic threshold higher, you need to train around that anaerobic threshold. So strategizing in training will train the correct energy systems. If you always go out too hard, if you're always this guy here, you're always going too hard at the start, all you're going to train is your fast, aggressive energy systems. You're not going to train any of that middle stuff where you can maintain a 7 out of 10 for 20, 25, 30 minutes. So if you're always going hard, you may as well just be doing 3-minute workouts and only 3-minute workouts as part of your training. You'll become a very one-dimensional athlete in terms of the energy systems that you're using and in terms of your competencies over different time domains. You need to strategize in training because you want to improve your self-awareness of your ability. And we've touched on this a few times with people. You need to know what you're capable of. You need to know what your 7 out of 10 is. You need to know that you can maintain 1:20 per round. Because if you don't practice this skill, when you need it in competition, you can't pull it out. You don't know what sort of paces you can sit at. Pacing is a skill. And like any skill, pacing needs to be practiced.